Hi everybody, it's Joanne from Me-Joanne Ralstin Art, and I have been trying to tackle this one little thing. Anyway, there is a lady on Instagram that I like to watch her. She just lickety-split, but she puts a pillow down a little bit more. Oh, now I got the lip all wet. Anyway, she puts a pillow down, and it's house paint, and she takes her finger and just goes around the edge to pull it out. You know, no biggie. And it's going to be different because this is Artist Loft. I mean, kind of smooth. That'll make the paint flow easier. And I've got some new colors mixed up we're going to use. I haven't used them before. But the key thing that I'm trying to do is use this new blow dryer. This is the blow dryer she uses. And I've had this probably 8 or 9 months and never used it. And it's got 2 settings. It's got a low and a high. The speed is the same. The temperature is the low and the high. High is heat. Low is cooler. So that's the difference on this blow dryer. And I think this is the one that fluidart.co sells. But anyhow, I forget where I picked it up from Amazon. And I like her technique, how she does this. So let's do it. Like I said, she puts the pillow down. And mine wasn't centered. And then she starts putting her colors down. And I was playing with my Grenache, and I ran out. It's gone. And I'm out of mix because I mixed these other colors up that I have never used before. Anyway, we're going to use this. This is TLP Sapphire. I want to make sure I have enough. All right. Then next, let's go with this. This is Fairy Floss. I have not used this before. And you know how I feel about pinks. I'm not crazy about pink. I'm just not a pink girl. But we're going to use it. And then we will go with, this is Mermaid. I'm doing a totally different order too. That's Mermaid. Let's drizzle a little bit. This is my custom purple. And it's pretty strong, so I don't want to put a lot. This is, oh, what's it called? Can't remember. Sockeye. This is Sockeye. I'll just kind of drizzle it around. Then I got my lovely lemon sorbet. I love lemon sorbet. It doesn't always show up. I hope it does. But I love it. And this is TLP Ore. This is a lot like 24 karat gold, but it's lighter. And it's just gorgeous. So I'm anxious to see what it does. All right, that covers all the colors. Now, I'm going to use the blow dryer. Now, the technique that she does is she blows down straight into her cell activator, then she just starts blowing as fast as she can. And then she squiggles in it and she spins it out. So we're going to try that. So let me get my cell activator. Oh, well. We're going to put... Oh, I didn't want to use black. Ah! Damn. Pardon my language. I wanted to use my Prussian blue. So let's mix that in there with it. All right. This is noisier, too, than my other dryer. So that's low setting. She just blows straight down. And then very quickly. Oh, I didn't get any of that blue over there. And that's all she does. And then she spins it out. But let's see if that center can develop some more. Bringing up all white, but it's okay, because I know this white won't do what white paint does. The house paint, what's the word? Fracculate? All right, now, what did I do with my stick? There it is. We're gonna wreck a little bit. Let's swirl that. All right, and spin it. Oh, this one's going to do much better. I just do not like house paint. I don't know why. I got that color place from Walmart, and it just seemed like it ate up my paints. My paints would disappear. So I got the PPG. I do like it better for coasters. And there's a few paintings I've done with it, and I've been happy with it. But I just wasn't happy with it with this technique. Well, it worked. There it is. It's beautiful. And just that little bit of wrecking, it just made something. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Look at the colors. I see the lemon sorbet. I'm thrilled to death that showed up. And the purple, see that purple is really strong. It's a mixture of all different purples. The blue, light blue is the Mermaid. The pink is the Fairy Floss. You can see the ore We'll see how the ore dries. I'm anxious to see that. And through here, it's like a rainbow of the colors. It just swirls around. It's neat. I'm not going to spin it anymore. I don't think I have. Maybe we'll do one more slow one. And see if there's any excess paint. Other than that, we're stopping. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, I'm excited for dry results. Well, guys, all I can say is I love you. Everybody take care. Take care of each other. I hope you had a wonderful holiday. And please hit that thumbs up, share, comment, please. Tell me what you think. And if you're new, please consider subscribing. And I will see you at dry results. Bye-bye. And here we are for dry results. Oh boy, she a beauty. She beauty, beauty, beauty. I'm going to try to get here in a position where you can see the shimmer. Look at that. That is so pretty in that spot right there. And in here, if I can get close enough, where these white, see if I can, right there. It looks like little flower petals in there, those white. See that little tiny dainty flower in the center? But look at this. I really had success with this one. Look at the shimmer. Oh, it just glistens with that gold and that grenache. Oh, and the purple. Oh, and I can't remember what the teal color is. Oh, but it's just pretty. Look up here. It just swirls. Oh, I just love it. Look at it glisten. Look at all those cool cells and the design. Well, like I said before, folks, tell me what you think. And everybody take care. And I hope I see you soon. Love ya. Bye-bye.